Um, okay, sleep. So I think I talked a lot about sleep, but having a really good, healthy sleep hygiene is important, especially for kiddos that struggle with ADHD. There are lots of different natural ways to help. A nice like shower or hot bath before bed, that if you're a family that likes to read like us, having that steady routine so they know what to expect. Their bodies are going to start to get tired. And then there's other times where having some soft, like meditative music in the back at night, making sure the lights are off. If they're scared of the dark, making sure the light is still like dim. You can get a red light so it still shines in the room, but it's not as bright. So it helps with those circadian rhythms. But they need a fair amount of sleep in order to help with that focus and emotional regulation. Okay, so this was about building resilience and advocacy. I just want to stress how amazing your kiddos are with the way that their brains work. And as much as it's probably challenging at times, I mean, I have 4 kids, and 2 of mine are a lot of work. And what I take from it is they make me a better mom. They've made me a better human, right? And when you think about your kids, they're here, they're a gift. And as much as it's hard, they are going to do something amazing. And it's just making sure that they have the supports and the community to help them see that, as well as to support you, because it's very tiring. It takes a village, right? So it's your school teachers, it's your social workers, it's your behavioral, your BCBAs, your OT therapists, your PTs, right? Your speech and language therapists. All of them together make a very strong team to support you. And they are resilient, and they will become very strong humans and do something amazing in the world. So just remember that tonight when you leave. Like, it's not doom and gloom. It's actually beautiful. You just haven't got to the roses and sunshine yet, right? You're still in the trenches. You will get there.